One touch. Every system responds. Welcome to the intelligent home. Belentino Smart Home technology, seamless automation, beautifully integrated. A smart home is not about gadgets. It is about systems that work together: lighting, heating, security, audio, and blinds, controlled from a single interface and designed into the building from the first fix. Our smart home service designs, installs, and commissions integrated technology that enhances comfort without compromising aesthetics. Intelligent lighting transforms how a home feels at every hour. Scene presets for morning, evening, entertaining, and cinema. Circadian tuning that adjusts color temperature throughout the day. Occupancy sensors that turn lights on as you enter and off when you leave. Dimmable circuits throughout, controlled by keypads, voice, or smartphone. Motorized blinds and climate integration work together. Blinds lower automatically when rooms overheat or raise to maximize natural light. Heating zones adjust based on occupancy and time of day. Air conditioning activates when temperature thresholds are reached. A single schedule manages comfort across every room in the home. Multiroom audio delivers music to every space from a centralized system. Concealed ceiling speakers, weather-rated garden speakers, and dedicated cinema rooms with surround sound. Video distribution streams content to any screen in the home from a single media rack. All controlled from one app or by voice. Smart security protects your home intelligently. Video doorbells, HD CCTV cameras, motion-activated alerts, and remote monitoring via smartphone. Smart locks with keyless entry, guest access codes, and automatic locking schedules. Alarm integration with lighting, simulating occupancy when you are away. Enterprise-grade networking is the backbone of every smart home. We install structured cabling, Cat6a to every room, fiber optic backbone for larger properties, and commercial-grade wireless access points for seamless coverage. No dead zones, no buffering, no dropped connections, even with 50 or more connected devices. Integration is where smart homes succeed or fail. We design every system to work together through a central processor, control for Crestron, Loxone, or KNX depending on the project. Keypads replace banks of switches. Scenes combine lighting, blinds, climate, and audio into single commands. Good Morning erases the blinds, warms the bathroom, and plays the news. We future-proof every installation with structured cabling, accessible containment, and open protocol systems. As technology evolves, your home evolves with it. Software updates add new features. New devices integrate without rewiring. The infrastructure we install today supports the technology of the next decade. From penthouse apartments to period family homes, from single-room upgrades to whole-house automation, our smart home portfolio spans every scale. Every project receives the same engineering rigor and commitment to invisible technology. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Book your free smart home consultation at belentino.com.